Hi, my follower. Today I'm in Kyoto, Japan. Here is Hilton Garden Inn, 四条京都. And my floor is 7th, and room number is 707. One queen deluxe room. Yes, Japanese total. Some amenities. And this is toothbrush is reuse type and changes head and paste. And these are prepared front check-in front and rain shower and bathtub. A very compact size and iron and safety box and nightwear, Japanese minibar. Here is no carrying machine. Box and TV. Laundry included and using status. Working desk, sofa bed, and this is AC power supply and USB. Outside and queen size bed. Hi, this is Kyoto 四条goodbye, my follower. Thank you for watching. So bright. Japanese kimono, special boxes, Buddhist style sari.